People after they don't make the scenes very transparent. It's like, yep.
You want me to reverse down the hill?
Yeah, down the driveway. Close your eyes and you could feel your car. Yeah.
That's insane, dude. Good morning, guys. We are here.
Oh my God.
Day technically 2 of Miatas at the Gap. Day 3 of travel. Everybody's washed up for the day. We are headed to Vendor Alley. It's really early. I woke up at technically my time, 5:30 this morning. So that's not usually a time for me, but the gang's all ready to go. All the cars are clean, ready to shoot some sick video and take you guys along for the ride. Oh my God. This is a big boy hill right here. All right, so we're rolling with a 2.5 turbo, my 2.5, Jordan's 2.0 turbo, Austin's 2.0, mostly stock. And man, what a morning. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's hit it. Miatas. We're going to the Vendor Alley right now. It's so sick to see all these people. How awesome. This is so cool. Just Miatas everywhere. Camped out. So sick. Alright, we're all parked up. Got John's car, Eric's car,
I had a catted header installed in there.
Austin's car, my car, Jordan's car, Jeff's car. Everybody is here. I'm gonna get over there, check out some of the vendors, I think, and probably meet some people. Give Ahmad the finger while holding the camera. Double duty, but man, this is sick. The drive-in was so good. The Smoky Mountains are amazing. If you guys have never been here, definitely come check it out. All right, what's broken already?
It's just suspension. The turbo's doing just fine. It's the suspension.
No, the suspension was fine too. I just got
Fine tuning.
2 clicks up in the front.
It's genius.
We do.
Actually, you're not. Where is it? Not that court. Supercharger.
I'm not picky. I'm not picky.
Yeah, he said it.
All these Miatas, and you know I got my eye on one thing. And from Texas,
Really
he came
good
from
shape.
Texas too.
Really good shape with antique plates.
Me, dude.
With antique plates.
This is so sick. The red Recaros. Oh man. This is the move right here.
Yeah, that's cool.
Amazing. Absolutely amazing. You know, Brad's got the door straps. SuperAutomotiveAccessories.com. Alright, Preston is joining us. It's so awesome meeting everyone finally for the first time. Look how sick that thing is. But we're hitting the Dragon. I've got my camera set up, so do a little POV driving, but otherwise, here we go. All right, just completed our trip of the Dragon for the second time, and so cool, so awesome. We were doing our best. There was a lot of traffic, a lot of police, but the gang is all here. Look at that. How awesome is this, genuinely? Okay, quick lunch stop, we're done. Now we are headed to the dam basin. Oh, that's f***ing sick. Headed to the dam basin, so see you guys there. How sick! Oh man, that is so cool. So we're just gonna take some photos here, hang out for a minute. All of our group is here. This has been such a good group to run with. I mean, everyone's kind of varying skills, but we've all been able to keep up with each other. A lot of these roads are really good, like equalizers, like we have the turbo cars and everything, but you can really only go so fast on most of the turns. So you gotta be a little brave, but most of the time it's just, we're keeping a consistent speed, following each other. I think everyone's kind of giving each other confidence in that, hey, if the person in front of me can do it, I can do it too. And yeah, it's been a blast. So I'm gonna get parked up and we'll take some cool photos. Dude, this is incredible. Wow.
He wasn't even able to be a twinkle in an eye yet.
How amazing. So yeah, we definitely don't get stuff like this in Texas, that's for sure. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna soak it in, soak in the sights of the cars, the river, the dam. Super sick. All right, we're in. Oh yeah, you got fancy stuff, huh?
Dude, I'm on that keyless lifestyle. Look at this LS3 on 18s.
It's so quiet. It's so quiet. Anyways, all right, we're in Jordan's Miata, which if you don't know, you're sleeping, because if you don't watch Flywheel films, you'll not know that he has a Flyin Miata turbo kit on his 2.0 engine. And I've never driven a turbo NC, so this is my first time.
It's been a while since you've been in a 2.0 regardless.
Yeah, it really has. All right, so quick rundown, if you can give me a quick rundown of your setup.
Are you going to the?
Yeah, Flyin MIata turbo, so 2 liter with the Garrett 2860 turbo.
Okay.
That's solid.
Roughly dynoed at 260 at the wheels.
Okay, so that's about 90 more than me, probably 80 or 90. Don't do it. So a substantial amount more than my 2.5.
Yeah,
for sure.
yeah. So I think yeah, noticeable for sure.
I'm excited.
Even compared to Ahmad's supercharged.
I never drove that car.
It was
Never drove that car
good. It was
either.
fun. It was fun. Made fun noises.
All right, well, let's fucking do it
Yeah.
then, dude.
Otherwise,
Can I move your seat forward like one click?
yeah, whatever you want. Meister R. It's the new Meister R Zeta Sport coilovers. And
Oh, you got the
what's the Cypher steering wheel?
This feels way different from mine.
Really?
Yeah, it feels way different.
I feel like there's been generations of Cypher.
Like mine didn't have this like ridge on the back.
Oh,
of it.
really?
It was more round.
Yeah, I feel like there's been generations of Cypher. First time. First time.
I'm not used to the stock clutch.
Yeah, that is wild for a lot of people. I think is the stock clutch and stock cooling.
Yeah,
With
it
the
is.
turbo,
It is
which
wild.
blows some people's minds. I'm gonna upgrade clutch at some point.
Yeah.
After I teach my fiance to drive on this car.
Yes.
Teach her stick, then switch it out. Little big brake kit, so I've got 4 corners, 4 pistons.
Oh, those feel nice too.
Yeah, and it's on the base pads, so like you can go aggressive ass pads if you want track stuff. But I really want to get a draggy and try out the 0-60 with this.
Yeah, you have to. That'd be really interesting to see.
11 pounds of boost. I'm trying to think of what else to run down. I mean, like you, I have a whole catalog of videos showing what I've done, so I never like actually memorize my mod list.
Yes, dude. Oh. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing?
Oh man.
Wow. That is incredible. Jordan.
So a lot of comments, including myself, is like, does this feel OEM-ish?
Oh, 100%.
Which is the intention. Like,
oh. Wow. dude.
A lot of fun.
That's awesome. What am I doing? I need to go back to the Flyin MIata booth. I think I need to go back. Wow.
I would love to see how this kit pairs to the 2.5.
You want to drive mine?
Yeah.
All right, we'll go back and drive mine. It's interesting because so when we were driving through all the turns and everything,
Yeah.
I noticed once you were in boost, you would fly away from me. But if I was in a lower gear, because I have the 5-speed, you have 6-speed. If I was in a lower gear, I was able to like initially like kind of get up with you, and then you would take off.
Yeah.
But
yeah.
there's like, I mean, the difference in this and the 2.5 is immense. And granted, they're totally different, but come on, come on.
It is way too much fun. Definitely, when I got this turbo, I had basically no brake upgrades, and that was a mistake. I really quickly hit brake fade.
Yeah, you need the brakes with this.
Even on daily driving, I was hitting brake fade.
Dude, that is amazing. That's amazing. That's like the perfect amount of power too.
Yeah.
Perfect amount of power. Wow. Dude.
I think they nailed it.
Awesome. That is so awesome. All right, made it here to the Hot Boy meet, which is just basically an NC Miata meet, I guess. But lots of cars still pulling in. It's super sick. Everyone's cars are cool, but the main ones that I want to see. So one more internet friend to meet. Dalton over here, you guys know his Instagram account. This little thing is so sick. The livery is so cool. And then ITB motor, really cool mods. Rega Brights.
Yeah, no, it is so much intelligent. Like, it's wild. Nice. I wish I could, like, really get on it.
This car is sick.
I don't know if
Oh shit, with the digital dash.
But like, it's all. I know when you
really cool, and the DG top as well. Brad's car here too again. That's cool. NB wheels on the ND. Dig that. Lots of TEs, which I absolutely love. This is a cool meet.
The car is man.
This is awful. How do you do this?
You've got the white.
All right, Hot Boy meet was sick. Met lots of cool people, but I'm at my past due date as far as the heat goes. I'm exhausted. I'm so dehydrated. So we're gonna just get home and we're gonna relax. So let's we'll link back up once we get back there.
So it's morning. It's the day after this last video, and I realized I didn't really end it. I'm so beat. I'm so tired. But we've got another big day planned for today, which is the next video. So if you guys are enjoying the videos, and I'm sorry because I told myself I was gonna upload daily, and I would be if I had Wi-Fi. This cabin has no Wi-Fi, no cell service. I'm basically disconnected from the outside world, but yeah, we're doing it. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are at the NC meet, I will see you there. Otherwise, we're hitting up Cherohala, Skyway, or something like that. So this video should be cool. The next video should be cool too. So hit subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.